All right. Welcome back, everybody. This is a Harbor Freight Auger, and it's a two-stroke engine. And as with customary with these engines, the problem is if you don't start them on a regular basis, the carburetor gets gummed up and the fuel goes bad. So what we're going to do today is we're going to replace some of the components and try to bring it back to life, so we can dig some holes and fix our little gazebo. First thing we're going to do is, instead of swapping out the carburetor, we've got an extra one here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to try and resurrect this existing carburetor by replacing the suction port. And after we do that, we're going to change the fuel and give it a couple of cranks and see if it'll fire up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to dump the existing fuel out into a container and put in fresh fuel. Carburetor is right here all along. Oh, there. Finally. I'm going to put some two-cycle oil in there, or two-stroke oil in there, so that way the engine doesn't burn up. Alright, I hope this helps you. It's a huge pain in the ass, but it's worth saving $200. Good luck.